California has met its initial target for administering more COVID-19 vaccines in the hardest hit and most disadvantaged areas. The milestone marks the state's effort to more equitably distribute the doses and also clears the way for significant economic reopenings. With 2 million doses now having gone into the arms of residents living in targeted communities statewide, officials have loosened the criteria necessary for counties to exit the strictest category of California's 4-tier reopening blueprint. In doing so, they've set the stage for a wider unlocking of the state's battered economy than has been seen in months. 13 counties, Los Angeles, Orange, San Bernardino, Amador, Colusa, Contra Costa, Mendocino, Mono, Placer, San Benito, Siskiyou, Sonoma and Tuolumne, will exit the proscriptive purple tier effective Sunday, according to the California Department of Public Health. And another 13 counties, Sacramento, San Diego, Riverside, Ventura, Kings, Lake, Monterey, San Joaquin, Santa Barbara, Sutter, Tehama, Tulare and Yuba, are poised to join the less strict red tier as soon as Wednesday, provided their coronavirus metrics stay steady. California is making good strides on achieving the commitment to delivering doses to the hardest-hit communities across our state, making sure that our first line of protection is going to those places that have shouldered the greatest burden of disease, Dr. Mark Ghaly, California's Health and Human Services Secretary, said during a briefing Friday. Counties in the red tier will be permitted to resume indoor dining at restaurants and movie theater showings at 25% capacity, welcome students in grades 7 through 12 back for in-person classes, reopen indoor gyms and dance and yoga studios at 10% capacity, and expand the maximum allowable capacity at non-essential stores and libraries within the next few days. Museums, zoos and aquariums also can reopen indoor operations in the red tier, at 25% capacity. Amusement parks can also reopen at 15% capacity with other modifications in red-tier counties starting April 1. Long-closed attractions such as Disneyland, Universal Studios, Knott's Berry Farm and Six Flags Magic Mountain are weeks away from again welcoming visitors, who must be California residents, after being closed for nearly a year. Opening more venues is not cause for Californians to let their guard down, Ghaly emphasized. He said there is still reason to be cautious about participating in new activities, such as dining indoors at restaurants, as any activity where you're not keeping your mask on the entire time still carries a risk for infection. Mixing with people you haven't seen in a while, for instance, should still be done carefully, and it's still safer to dine outdoors than inside in a mixed group setting, Ghaly said. How widely to reopen ultimately is up to local health officials, however, as they can adopt rules that are stricter than the state.